Hey, my name is Alan with Two College Movers. I wanted to go ahead and leave a quick testimonial about MoveUp Consultant. We actually started using them about a year ago. They were referred to us by another moving company owner that was using them and kind of saw some great success. And we were really struggling just finding mover drivers, anybody that was qualified with prior moving experience, but at the same time had a good driving record. When we reached out, we were set up with a account manager that kind of really helped us, kind of got to know us to see what we were looking for and what was really important kind of for our company and our company culture. Fast forward to a year, I'd say we have not had a problem staffing. We actually have a hiring funnel, and that's really kind of helped us just not be feel like we're trapped with certain employees and making sure that we're building the best team, for our company. So, as of now, Move Consulting has been great for us. They truly have really transformed the way we do hiring. Being in business for 11 years, I never thought, that we would have, people in the queue, waiting to come and work for us. And just again, never feeling like we're trapped with current employees, feeling like we can always kind of make sure that we have A or B team members, on our squad. So I just want to say thank you for Move Up Consulting, and anybody that's looking into them, I would most definitely give them a try. I don't think you'll be unhappy with the results.